Morning guys, Forrest from Thrust Institute of Maintenance, and today we're going to talk about the biggest decision of your life, becoming an aircraft maintenance technician or an A&P mechanic. The hardest part of your A&P journey is going to be choosing where you decide to learn how to become an aircraft mechanic. We're going to give you 3 things you should look at when considering an aircraft maintenance school. The first thing to consider when choosing an A&P school is going to be their reputation. That is to say, where their graduates have gone, what their graduates have to say, and the decisions they make after they leave school. There are many A&P schools to choose from across the country, and they're all known for different things. Some schools are going to be known for that good hands-on experience. Other schools are really good about helping their students get through the test. Ultimately, employers are looking for who is the most qualified and competent mechanic coming to the table. The other important factor when considering a school's reputation is going to be their pass rate. That is to say, how many students came in on day 1 and how many students completed the program and became licensed A&P technicians. Here at Thrust, we're at almost 90% pass rate with our students. Almost unheard of in this industry. One of the biggest considerations when choosing a school should be the equipment they have and the facilities they are located in. A good, clean shop that is well organized with modern equipment shows a school that is prepared to train the next generation of aircraft mechanics. We are huge on hands-on training. Some schools do as little as 10 to 15% of the time out in the hangar. Here at Thrust, half of our day is spent in the hangar training our students on real aircraft, real engines, and with real projects, simulated to make our mechanics the most competent when they enter the workforce. On the note of hangars and equipment, one of the more important things is that a school that you want to consider should have plenty of these training aids that are simulating aircraft systems that you can interact with on a daily basis to help you learn the intricacies of any aircraft system. One of the biggest factors in choosing an A&P school is going to be the quality of the instructors. Here at Thrust, we have a diverse selection of instructors from different backgrounds, ranging from general aviation to the airlines to corporate aviation. We even have a helicopter guy.
My name is Ben Dutzman. I'm a teacher here at Thrust Institute of Maintenance. I am blessed to be pouring into the lives of students. I'm getting to teach them everything I've learned, pass along the information that was given to me by an incredible amount of great mentors and mechanics in the industry.
Being an instructor at Thrust is more than just teaching a curriculum. It's developing students to become ready for real-world aircraft with real-world responsibilities and real-world consequences.
I like the dynamic aspect of being a teacher here at Thrust. They allow us to try new things, to fill gaps as we see the need in aiding students to become better mechanics before we send them off to the airlines and the rest of the world.
My role as an instructor isn't just to help the students pass an FAA test, it's to make them think like a professional technician.
As an instructor at Thrust, it has been transformative in how my life is. I've been able to teach students, pass along the wisdom and knowledge that was passed on to me, and to me, that's the difference, being able to raise the next generation of aviation mechanics. The Thrust advantage is this. You are going to have classes one-on-one with your instructor with maximum class size of 15 students. You'll have more time to be able to get that personalized instruction you're looking for. More importantly, we are a hands-on school. We send our students out to the shop and make sure they don't just know the knowledge in the classroom, but they know how to fix aircraft and become the next generation of competent mechanics. Our students have the opportunity to work on aircraft they can be proud of. This Cessna 152 is one our students picked up, abandoned from an airport, brought it home on a trailer, and have restored top to bottom as part of their learning experience at Thrust. Here at Thrust, we have pride in our students. Our 152 will be on display this year at Oshkosh for the public to see, and it's because we're proud of the work our students have done. Our students have the opportunity to go to Oshkosh, Wisconsin every year for the Air Venture Flying. It is the world's largest aviation festival. More than 700,000 people, 12,000 airplanes, but more importantly, every major airline has recruiters there, and our students have the chance to talk to them one-on-one. We built the Thrust Institute of Maintenance on these principles. a solid reputation, beautiful facilities and equipment, and top-notch world-class instructors. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, contact us today. A member of our admissions team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here, and drop us a comment in the video below. We want to know what you want to see next. Till next time, guys.